When doing the bench press, it is vital that you keep your shoulders in the correct position, because if you do not, you will tear your shoulders up. So in this video, I will show you how. So when you're setting up for the bench press, you want to make sure that your shoulder blades are squeezed back and down. This sets your shoulder in and it will protect your shoulder from hanging out there loose. You also want to keep your elbows tucked in. Why? Because this is not your bar movement, and this will also provide more stability and more protection to your shoulders and the bench press. And this is what the back of your shoulders should look like. I'm going to show you the difference between shoulders out. As you can see, my shoulders are hanging out and they are not stable, and I would tear my rotator cuff. Now this is what your shoulders should look like, down and back. As you can see, looks more stable, looks more solid, and you would get bigger, better gains. Good luck.